Alright guys, today's video is about this rod that I've had for a few years now, and I found that interesting. So today I'm finally going to clean it up, take off all this ugly residue and this tar on this side. It's got a little hole here, drilled through. I don't know what it was used for, but it's solid copper, and I'm going to sand it up, polish it up a little bit. Nothing crazy, or it might get crazy. Hyperlapse video to not kill so much time because I'm not showing you guys how to do it. I'm just showing you guys beginning to end. Done. Alright guys, so I'm using stripper to try to remove the flashing. I don't know how to go about it, so I just put that and I wanted to heat it up to hope that it'll come off easier. But as I was heating it up, it caught on fire. So don't do that part, guys. Don't do that. And then I figured I'd give it another shot, let it sit for a little bit, heating it up. What I found to work was using the back of a blade, of a Sawzall blade, and just scraping off all of the flashing. And I had like a little edge sticking up, so I just cut it off. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm just buffing it up now, giving a little sand, a light sand with the wire brush mesh. Little cleanup here and there. Just doing a rough sanding, pretty much. Well, a rough wire brushing. And they got all of it off. So, yeah. That worked out pretty well. That's one side. I love those marks that came out on the rod. Those veins. Alumi-Cut is pretty much just like it's a lubricant that you put on when you're working on any kind of metal. It's kind of like a lube for sanding and stuff or whatever when you work on it. Clearing out all the dirt that was there, had dirt in there. And now I'm starting the sanding process. I start off with a low grit just to get a rough sand of everything. That wasn't too low anyways. I should have went lower. Started with an 80, but like I said, I was just doing a rough sanding and polishing. Alright guys, so I went to a 2000 grit and I'm just working that in, trying to get it as evenly as possible because it is a cylinder. And then I up the speed a whole bunch just to get through this faster because I feel like it's pointless. And I think I ended at a 4500 grit. Alright guys, so I just finished polishing it. This is it. I had these holes there. One's a straight pin, just a drill through. This one over here has threads. It only goes about an inch in, maybe an eighth of an inch past the notch. It's got a hole drilled right there. And this is it. Just polished it. The liquid you see me using, guys, is just a finished touch for working on metal, just sanding any metal down. This is pretty much like oil. Put WD-40 if you don't have that. And this is the product. Just start a low grit, not too low, and then work your way up. I wanted to leave all those impressions on the copper. It looks real cool. If you can't see it, guys, in the video, I'll post pictures. This is just a basic rod that I found. The weight, I don't know. I would just have to say 3 pounds. no less than 3 pounds. I have a scale around here, guys. Give me a minute. Alright, guys, so I found my scale. This is how it hooks up. Works out perfectly. Went through the hole. Came out on top. See it? This is the scale. And the weight is, okay, 5 pounds is 4.93. 4.93, almost 5 pounds, guys. I was off by almost double the weight, so. Alright, guys, so if you got this far, that means you watched my whole entire video. I appreciate that. Guys, if you found the video interesting, like and subscribe to the channel, please, because I have a whole bunch of content that I haven't yet put together. I'm just getting around to editing my videos and putting them up. So I do anything from polishing copper to melting my own bars to melting my own ingot balls. Like I said, guys, just like and subscribe, follow my channel, hit the bell icon, stay tuned, and you will see more of my videos. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate you guys. Peace.